Guys, I think today was epic. You should check the video, especially you should watch it to the end because that would be a little bit funny. I made some good trades. The Discord was awesome, and wow, I mean, what a week! What a week! We on a winning streak all week. So join Pip Ninja, and you know let's make some money together. By the way, I passed the top step, passed one more top step combine, and started to trade with Apex as well because I'm interested in Apex trading as well. I did some extra profit there as well. Anyway, check the video and especially to the end. All right, guys, we made it awesome. Check pip.ninja. See you guys next week. All right. Well, London just started, and I entered a trade here. Hopefully it will be fine. We're just targeting the 900 area again for a retest. Based on a small structure break, nothing serious here. All right, have to cut this one. It's not gonna work out so far. Yeah, let's cut it. Okay, I got into a long position, which is right after we took out. Well, actually, this is a 5-minute entry, to be honest. So let's hope it will provide us something good. The target is the hourly high, which would be great to get over the previous loss. This one spiked up really nice. I thought that it's gonna come down here. We only see this. This is the 15-second, but you can also see this on the 30-second chart, so it'd be fine. Okay, well, at least we got back the loss. London is not starting good this week, actually, but it is what it is. At least we're in the green. Let's see what comes up. I'll try to take less trades today. I'll really try. Okay, just a quick update since I was not recording it. I managed to get back to the green, but I was scalping actually here on the 30-second time frame. I was aiming for high, so I entered. I don't even. Oh yeah, I got stopped out here, and then I thought that it's gonna take out this high, so I entered for a few handles, and then it broke structure here, so I was aiming for these almost relative equal lows to be taken out, so I got in on this fair value gap, although I wanted to get in originally on this one. So that was only again a few handles, but that's it. Now we're just waiting for the New York kill zone. That's it. Okay, small update. I wasn't recording everything here, but I took a trade. I don't even know when. Oh yeah, here. I wanted to buy here to see this one take off from this fair value gap, and then I closed it with a loss, of course, and then I got to a sell and regained some of the losses. And now, here I am. I'm gonna show you what the hell am I doing because I know it's confusing. This is a 5-minute chart. No. What is this? Oh, I have to... Okay, let me show you on the 60-minute chart. So I'm aiming for this imbalance to be tapped into. This one. And the candle is actually... The body of the candle is actually closing at... No. 62.50, that's not true. Something's off here. Anyway, I want to tap that imbalance. That's my target. Come on. All right. At least I'm back in the green again. I'm having such a crazy day again. I don't know. We started off good, but now anyway. Okay, in a new trade again. I'm targeting this 5-minute high, this one, which is the 74.50 level. I totally forgot that there is news, so I just closed it. I have totally forgot that there is news. I know it can spike up, but I was so stupid I forgot the news. Totally forgot the news. Okay, we are after news, and there was a fair value gap here, which has been immediately rebalanced by this long wick candle. I would like to see a quick push down here to, for example, 69. I would love to see that, to go for 10 handles. This 79, 89. I'm gonna put a hard stop here, and let's see how it goes. It would be great to see a hard push to reprice this zone right here. This was before news, so that would be just great. 10 handles, and by the way, I took a scalp on ES as well. I'm gonna show you here. After news, there was a level, it took it out, so I took a scalp. It was like $60 or 70, I don't know. And I just want this to make a clean move here. There was an immediate reprice right here. That was beautiful, and this was beautiful as well. And so guys, from my end, this concludes Friday's trading. I don't want to sit here. I made well over $400 today, this account, and by the way, I passed a combine account at Top Step, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cut this video and show you about that too. This week was great. I mean, what could I ask more? The whole week was a winning streak. I had my downs, I had my mistakes, as everyone else. So if you think someone is perfect, like a trader who says that he or she is perfect, that's not true. Nobody's perfect, not in trading, not in life. So I had my mistakes. I'm working on it. This week was just super great. I'm thankful and grateful. And guys, I'm gonna be making a separate video about this whole thing over the weekend. Thank you so much. I enjoyed this really much. I mean, a winning streak all week. Wow, guys, thank you. See you at pip.ninja. If you want to join the private Discord, get onto it. Trust me, it's a good community. All right, see you guys.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah, I know. I definitely know. I'm gonna tell you the reason. ICT was making a live stream as Joy would say from Friends series. I'm not even sorry. So have a good weekend, everyone.